everyone, welcome to Cakes and Conversations. Today we are learning to make homemade classic granola with very simple ingredients and simple recipe. We are going to take a bowl and just mix in all the ingredients and toast them and make the granola. So it's basically 1 cup quinoa, 2 cup rolled oats, 2 cups mixed nuts unsalted, half a cup of pumpkin seeds, half a cup of sunflower seeds, and 1 cup dried cranberry. I will add all the ingredients in the bowl, and we'll add in sweeteners and fats to incorporate it and give it a good flavor. You can also use 3 cups of rolled oats if you do not have quinoa in hand. It's totally up to you. I'm just cleaning my bowl so that there's no residue, if any, or any oil or anything. And we'll add all the ingredients. We'll just simply mix in all the ingredients in the bowl except the cranberry. I decided to chop the nuts a bit, so I'm using my processor to chop them up, but I don't want a fine grind powder, just going to blitz it for a few blitz, and I just need thick chunks, but it should be chopped. Adding that as well to my granola. Now we would be mixing it nicely and we'll add the fats as well and the sweetener. So I'm adding half a cup of honey. We'll be writing all the ingredients down in the description below, whatever I've been using this and the measurements. Love that drizzle. I'm taking half a cup of oil. You can also use half a cup of melted butter instead, or half of oil and butter mix, basically 1/4 cup butter, 1/4 cup oil. But I'm using oil here, just oil here, and I'm using canola oil. You can also use coconut oil if you love the coconut flavor. Thoroughly mixing in so that all of the ingredients, all of the nuts and oats, everything is being coated in honey and oil. Now we will be toasting them. I am going to spread the mixture on a baking tray which is lined with parchment paper. My tray is a little bit small for the quantity that I've made, so it will take 1 hour for me. But if your tray is bigger, or if you make half a batch of this, you will just toast them for 30 minutes. And with an interval, half the time of interval, say I'm just taking it for 1 hour, so after 30 minutes I will be tossing it in the pan itself and putting it back to toast again, so that everything is being covered, all the sides are covered properly, and we will be toasting them at 160 degrees centigrade. Such a beautiful color. My granola is golden brown. It will be a little hard like a sheet, but you need to break them up. Very easy, nothing. It's not like a praline, so it's not that hard. But you still need to just break them up, put it in a bowl. Lastly, we'll add the cranberries. I decided to also add 150 grams of dried mango and 200 grams of white chocolate chips or chunks, because I feel that it will complement the flavor very well. So I'm adding all the remaining dried fruits, which I didn't want it to toast or melt. Mixing them very thoroughly. The cranberry tends to stick sometimes, so you can just break that by hand. You can combine any of your flavors. If you love choco chips and banana, you can add banana chips and choco chips. There are various flavors that you can try on. I will also let you know that how much this recipe yields. I have to pack this for a friend, so I'm using bags, or else I will just measure in a bowl. This recipe gave me 2 bags of 600 grams each, so this recipe makes 1.2 kgs. I will mention the ingredients down in the description below, and thank you for watching.